Welcome back to the Bright Light Wellness YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. I am so glad that you're here with me. Today, I want to have a quick chat with you about the benefits of infrared light. Okay, this is really exciting. So first thing I want to tell you is that infrared light is available from the sun whenever the sun is out. So from sunrise to sunset, it is the first wavelength of light to enter the atmosphere and the last wavelength of light to leave the atmosphere. So it's available for healing literally all day long. Okay. Now, near or just infrared light in general, okay, is a very long wavelength of light. It's the longest wavelength of light that enters our atmosphere. So the amazing thing about that is that the length of it is that it actually has the ability to penetrate the skin and go through the skin deep into the tissues and the cells, right? But it also even has the ability to penetrate through clothing. I mean, not if you're wearing like sweatshirts upon sweatshirts in the winter, but you can generate through some clothing. It can get through, some mild layers of clothing. And it can still get deep into the cells. Okay. So even if you're outside on a winter day and you're wearing some clothing, you can still get the benefits of infrared light. Even with what I'm doing right now, as you can see the sun shining in through my glass, right through the window. The door, there is no glass, excuse me. The window is completely open. This door is completely open, right? You can see that. And the screen is even open, which the screen would let the frequencies through, but I want to get as much of the healing frequencies as I can. So I'm letting this come through, and I'm still getting the benefits right now of the infrared because the infrared light is bouncing off the greenery in the environment and coming right back onto me. So I'm still getting the benefits of the infrared even sitting here. So you can be sitting in the shade and still be getting these health benefits. All right. So what are these health benefits I'm talking about, right? You get them you can get not 24/7 because not at nighttime, but whenever the sun is out, you can get them in the shade, even with clothing. What are these health benefits? Well, there are two main ones from a quantum perspective that I want to share. And the first main one is that infrared light, and this is research that's coming out from Scott Zimmerman and Russell Ryder that is amazing, which I've known in the past before, but now it's really getting more solidified. Infrared light is going to improve your mitochondria function, right? We all know, we've heard it improves our ATP production. That's why red light therapy panels are so popular, right? So it's going to improve your mitochondria function. And when it does that, it helps your mitochondria make what we call subcellular melatonin. Now, this is not the melatonin. This is not the same as pineal gland melatonin that's going to make you tired and want to go to sleep. Subcellular melatonin is actually responsible for 95% of our melatonin production. And what it does actually is it actually will help our body heal and repair all day long. This is melatonin that the mitochondria make within the cell. And this is like basically cleaning up and repairing damaged cells and DNA and stuff all throughout the day just by being exposed to sunlight. I mean, isn't that mind blowing? Like, melatonin is your body's like really major built-in antioxidant. Okay. And it's basically like just being in sunlight allows your body to receive these frequencies all the time, and receive this healing power all the time. So it's kind of like if you have like dishes in the sink at breakfast and lunch and dinner, and you wait till the nighttime to really like have that cleaned up. Subcellular melatonin is you're cleaning this all day long. You're cleaning up after the kids all day long. There's not a huge mess at the end of the day, right? Now, the other thing that infrared light is going to help your body do, because it's improving your mitochondria function, it's going to help your body make more exclusion zone water. Exclusion zone water is the fourth phase of water founded by Dr. Gerald Pollack in his lab. And it basically, what it does is it will help improve. That's how we improve our ATP production, right? So you're going to have more energy, right? And this water is like a crystalline gel-like substance, basically, that lines our cells, acts like a barrier, and is very protective from like toxins getting into our cells or built up of arterial plaque, and also is our cellular hydration and our whole energy battery. So This is huge. We want our body to make more of this cellular hydration or this exclusion zone water and exclude things that don't belong getting in the cell, have this protective barrier. I have another video on easy water and how it's protective. And I also have another whole podcast episode on my podcast, The Quantum Connection, which you can check out, which shows a whole video about how important exclusion zone water is. So there's that benefit. Those are the main two benefits that really help us with all the other benefits we hear about, red light therapy and sunlight therapy, because it's, you hear about hair growth and you hear about wound healing and skin healing and increased energy production. It's all because your mitochondria are working better, making more subcellular melatonin and making more exclusion zone water. That is the science behind why all this works. Now, we're kind of live a life void of, most people live a life void of infrared light because they are inside and the windows are closed, right? If this door was closed, I have a window open over there too. But if I didn't have these windows and doors open, that modern glass blocks these light frequencies from coming in. But light moves like a wave and a particle. So you can get these light frequencies in if you just, if you just open the windows in the car, open the windows at home, right? Now, the other thing too, the reason why is because we've moved to LEDs and fluorescent lighting, which are void of infrared for energy efficiency. Older style bulbs like incandescent and halogens have infrared light frequencies in them. They create more warmth. And they think, oh, the warmth is nothing, but it's actually really important for healing in our bodies. So you can also buy, if you can find halogen and incandescent bulbs, I have resources for that, then you're going to help increase this as well. But it's always the best to get it from the sun. And yeah, infrared light is the number one way to increase our exclusion zone water and the number one way to help our bodies make subcellular melatonin and to improve our mitochondrial function. So basically, being outside in sunlight has amazing benefits, and it's just go outside, just be out there, enjoy it. And if you're worried about, the harmful effects of sunlight, which are, I don't really think they exist, but you can be in the shade and still receive these benefits and get infrared light. So I hope this encourages you to get outside and be outside, hopefully without sunscreen and sunglasses and all that. I have videos on those kinds of things if you want to check those out too. And yeah, I am currently taking 2 new coaching clients. I have room for 2 spots for one-to-one coaching. And I also have personalized healthcare plans. Well, I will sit down with you. I will discover the real root causes of your health conditions. I will make you a personalized healthcare plan for summer and for winter that will look very different. And it will come with a video recording just like this of me explaining your plan in depth. And it will also have Google Slides that you can print out and follow along and follow the protocols. And it'll be individualized for you based on your health goals and health needs. So that's a great thing to check out. That's called personalized healthcare plans. Everything is on my website, brightlightwellnesscoach.com. And also you can visit, like and subscribe to this channel, Bright Light Wellness, learn more. Please comment below, ask questions. What do you want to know more about? What can I support you with? I'm thrilled to do that. And yeah, just looking forward to supporting your health. Send me an email, contact@brightlightwellnesscoach.com, and I will be more than happy to answer you and let you know if I can help you or just book in a clarity call. So I hope all of this info was helpful, and I will catch you on the next video. Please share it with others if it was. Have an awesome day.